Thanks to the search option, you can now find what you need faster. However, you may have your reason as to why you want or don't want the option on your taskbar. So if you're also one of those, make sure to follow these steps in this video tutorial. Now the quickest way is by right-clicking on the taskbar, select Taskbar Settings, then enable or disable the search option. Another way you can disable the search option is by going to Settings, click Personalization, go to Taskbar option, and the search option will be at the top of the list. Now removing this option does not mean you can no longer search for anything on your computer. You can still use the Start option to look for something. Or remove the Taskbar search option in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.